Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to take glutathione effervescent tablets for optimal benefits. First, ensure you have a clean glass and about 4 to 6 ounces of plain water ready. It's also a good practice to always check the expiration date on your tablet packaging before you begin, ensuring product freshness and efficacy. This simple preparation sets the stage for proper use. Once your water is ready, gently drop 1 glutathione effervescent tablet into the glass. You'll notice it begins to fizz and dissolve immediately. It's important to let it fully dissolve on its own, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Resist the urge to crush or chew the tablet, as this can affect its intended absorption and effectiveness. Patience is key here. After the tablet has completely dissolved and the fizzing stops, drink the entire solution right away. For optimal absorption, many experts recommend consuming glutathione on an empty stomach, perhaps first thing in the morning. Always adhere to the specific dosage instructions given by your healthcare provider or found on the product label to ensure safe and effective use. Consistency is beneficial. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining the quality of your tablets. Always store them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and any sources of moisture. If you have any underlying health conditions, are pregnant, or breastfeeding, it's always wise to consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. Your health and safety are paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.